Welcome to this introduction to Azure Monitor. In this series, we'll explore Azure's comprehensive monitoring and diagnostics platform. Azure Monitor is the foundation of observability in Microsoft Azure, providing you with the tools and insights needed to keep your cloud applications and infrastructure running smoothly. Let's dive into what makes Azure Monitor such a critical component of modern cloud operations. Azure Monitor is a comprehensive cloud observability platform that collects, analyzes, and acts on telemetry data from both Azure and on-premises environments. Think of it as the central nervous system of your cloud infrastructure. It provides full-stack monitoring across applications, infrastructure, and networks, giving you unified insights and actionable intelligence. Whether you're running virtual machines, web applications, databases, or containerized workloads, Azure Monitor brings all your monitoring data together in one place, making it easier to understand system health and performance. Azure Monitor consists of 4 core components that work together to provide comprehensive monitoring. First, we have metrics, which are numerical time series data used for performance and health monitoring. Second, there are logs, which capture both structured and unstructured data for detailed analysis and troubleshooting. Third, alerts provide proactive notifications based on conditions and thresholds you define. And fourth, Workbooks offer interactive reports that combine visualizations and analytics. Each component plays a crucial role in giving you visibility into your systems and helping you respond quickly to issues. Azure Monitor can collect data from multiple sources across your entire technology stack. It gathers platform metrics and diagnostic logs directly from Azure resources like virtual machines, databases, and storage accounts. For applications, it collects performance and usage data through application insights, giving you deep visibility into how your code performs. Guest operating systems and virtual machines provide operating system-level metrics through the Azure Monitor agent. Additionally, Azure Monitor supports on-premises environments through hybrid monitoring with agents and connectors, allowing you to monitor your entire infrastructure regardless of where it runs. Azure Monitor Logs uses a central repository called the Log Analytics Workspace, where all log data is stored and analyzed. You query this data using Kusto Query Language, or KQL, which is a powerful tool for extracting insights. Azure Monitor Logs enables complex queries, trend analysis, and correlation across multiple data sources, making it invaluable for deep troubleshooting and understanding system behavior. The platform supports retention policies to control how long data is kept, data export capabilities for archiving or external analysis, and seamless integration with other Azure services and third-party tools for extended functionality. Application Insights is Azure's application performance management, or a PM, service designed specifically for monitoring live web applications and detecting performance issues. It tracks critical metrics like request rates and response times to help you understand application throughput and latency. Exception tracking and diagnostics help you identify and fix bugs quickly. Dependency monitoring shows how your application interacts with databases, external services, and other components. User behavior analytics provides insights into how people use your application. Distributed tracing helps you follow requests as they flow through microservices architectures. And availability testing allows you to proactively monitor your application's uptime from locations around the world. Azure Monitor provides several types of alerts to keep you informed of issues. Metric alerts trigger based on threshold-based conditions, like when CPU usage exceeds a certain percentage. Log alerts use KQL queries to detect specific patterns or anomalies in your log data. Activity log alerts notify you of resource-level events, such as when resources are created or deleted. When alerts trigger, they can execute action groups, which define how you want to be notified or what actions to take. You can configure email and SMS notifications, webhook integrations for custom systems, Azure Functions and Logic apps for automated workflows, and ITSM and runbook automation for comprehensive incident response. Additionally, Smart Detection uses machine learning to automatically identify anomalies and potential issues without requiring manual configuration. Azure Monitor delivers several key benefits that make it essential for modern cloud operations. Unified visibility means you have a single platform for all your monitoring needs, eliminating the complexity of managing multiple tools. Proactive detection helps you identify issues before they impact your users, reducing downtime and improving customer satisfaction. Deep Analytics provides advanced querying and correlation capabilities that help you understand complex system behaviors and root causes. Hybrid support allows you to monitor both cloud and on-premises resources from one place. Automation enables automated responses and remediation, reducing manual intervention and speeding up problem resolution. And finally, integration ensures seamless connection with the broader Azure ecosystem and third-party tools, giving you flexibility in how you manage your monitoring workflows. Together, these benefits make Azure Monitor a powerful foundation for maintaining reliable, high-performing applications and infrastructure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.